prove something that you now. Oh, thank you. She's really well behaved in school.
Turn off the TV.
I yelled at her in front of the whole class. Told her that she was crazy. You asked her that.
Oh, don't do that. Bella.
Would you be able to pick up some more cigarettes and not pay for them? Or no? Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't want it. Yeah, no. Or I could have Darren do it even. Because she'll be getting off. Well, who's going to eat? Or we could just walk up to Holidays.
Bella.
You want to walk to Holidays?